glad to see them back. Keep them rolling down the track, shoveling more coal. They're rolling on the tracks again.
What's up, guys? Today we're at the NewFoundland train station in NewFoundland, Jersey. So yeah, let's look around. As you can see right here, there's no water tower. There's the two old cabooses. Caboose is really neat. And yeah, really interesting place. Guys, so we're just walking down the track down here. There's that car on display. We'll check it out. In fact, the station was actually used in a movie called The Station Heist or whatever. If someone could correct me in the comments, that'd be great. So if the train comes, I'll pick the camera back up. But if not, and I like and subscribe.